Step into the Aquasust drum filter manufacturing facility. Premium raw materials, scientific warehouse management. From incoming inspection to categorized storage, we ensure every material meets high production standards. Fully automated laser cutting with millimeter precision. Technology driven for more accurate and efficient production. Hand-assembled core components with multi-layered quality control. The torque of each screw and the installation of each filter are strictly calibrated. Where precision meets efficiency, every drum filter embodies our relentless pursuit of excellence.